Take out every blood clot one of them. So take them out.
You already told me, but you yelling.
Yo, Wallace. Wallace. Why you get them out? Take out every one of them.
No, I'm not scared of you.
Me not afraid that you know that. Alright, so take them out.
That's why you take them right there.
You know what you're do? You think somebody will see you? You know what you're do? That's why I'm here.
Oh, wow.
I know you.
Don't worry about that. Now you know.
I'm not from out here. I know it.
People like white people cannot have a fucking good community.
Fuck the white people. Look how we slave up.
Yeah, but what about our job? What about our job?
Fuck them all.
What about our job?
Get the time I get. Fuck them back. We beat the fucking babies out of my system. Beat the babies out of my system.
Let me get it. Oh, let me get a basket. There you go.
Mm-hmm.
Get this shit, man. I don't give a fuck. I thought this was an all-white store anyway. I didn't. I got pork now, I got half. This thing will go.
I gotta watch the phone.
No, man, you're good. It's good inside here.
Wow.
Yeah. Stay right there.
That's it.
All right.